Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Harley has really kept us busy with the new design of the 2024s. Street Glide and Road Glide, CVO, CVO ST, Standard, all of them. So we were fortunate that the plug and play harness that we designed for the 23 CVO happened to work on the 24 CVO and the 24 non-CVO since they're all amplified. There's currently no interface solution available, so our ART plug and play amplifier solution is currently the only one available on the market, and we've been getting a lot of phone calls for it. So we've done just over 20 of the new body style 2024s. We've done the CVO ST, we've done the regular CVO. We've shipped over 50 plug and play harnesses all over the United States. We've shipped to Canada, Poland, Germany, and Dubai. We've gotten phone calls from a lot of places. We've shipped to a lot of shops here in the United States to help them complete the install, because if you splice on these new bikes, it becomes a warranty issue. These bikes are having electrical issues, so the last thing the dealer wants you doing is splicing into these harnesses, and currently our solution is the only plug and play solution. We've done over 20 bikes so far in the shop. Most of them have been simple 2-speaker, 4-speaker installs with the 800.4. We've done a few with woofers in the bags, like the one I'm about to show you now. We did, this was a CVO Road Glide ST that we did 10s in the saddlebag, sealed and ported, Cicada CH, 6.5 in the fairing, sound digital 800, no, and this one we did a Cicada 4-channel, and we did a sound digital 3000.1 with a Doobie bass knob and upgraded lithium battery. We've done the factory lids. So the only way you can currently add, so if you have a base model Street Glide or Road Glide, doing the 2 front speakers is no problem. The bike is already halfway wired. For the rear speakers, it's already connected to the amplifier, and the amplifier wires run under the gas tanks, but they have to be pinned if you buy the factory lid speakers from Harley. We actually run a whole new harness to the back instead of pinning the factory harness, but you can do it either way. The lids can currently only be purchased from the dealer, color matched. If you order the lids, make sure you order the gasket and the grills. They are not included with the lids. The harness, we do a harness because you have to drill a hole either way to go into the saddleback with the harness. So instead of using the Harley harness, because the hole's on the top, we make our own harness that goes in the bottom, and it's completely plug and play except for the hole that you have to drill, and you would have to drill the hole if you did the factory kit anyway, because there's no holes in these saddlebags. They do not offer a lid kit yet. We're working with a couple of different companies to see if we can get them to market in the next 60 to 90 days. So there's currently no cut-in kit from any company available. So if you want to do rear speakers, you have to buy the factory color match lids from the dealer. You have to buy the gasket, and you have to buy the grill. What I'm recommending to a lot of my clients is the grills that come on the Street Glide and Road Glide aren't that nice looking. They're like a funky flat black. I recommend that they get the CVO grills. Even if they have the non-CVO, it fits. But you would have to order the lid, the gasket, the CVO grill for the front, and even though you're the CVO grill for the back, and even though you have regular grills for the front, to make them match, because the CVO ones are much nicer looking, you have to order the CVO grills from the front. So yeah, we're doing really, really well with our plug and play kit. It's no cutting, no splicing, includes a DSP that fits behind the headlight. It's been pre-programmed. We have an EQ setting for you to use if you're installing the kit yourself. But this client came in, a very, very good client of ours. He literally traded in his 2023 ST to get the 2024 CVO ST. We did a big setup on his 2023, so he wanted better on the 2024. So he actually went with the same setup I have on my personal 23 CVO. And check it out. Bye.